In this video, we'll learn how to generate a data report of a TraceableLIVE device using our smartphone. Then, we'll also go through the report together to understand it. Before we get started, you'll need an app on your phone that is able to open PDFs. If you don't have a PDF reader, we recommend downloading Adobe Acrobat Reader from the Play Store or iTunes Store. Play Store is on Android devices, and App Store is on Apple devices. Once you have your app that reads PDFs ready, or you already have a PDF reader installed on your phone, we'll now locate the TraceableLIVE app on your phone and tap on it to open it. Once it's open, type in your email for your username, and then your password. And then click Login. Once on the main screen, we can easily start a report from here by clicking on a device we want to report for. If you don't see any locations on your screen for any reason, click on the menu on the top left. And then tap on Devices and Data. From here, go ahead and tap on the TraceableLIVE device you want to report for. I'm going to tap on Refrigerator Monitor Floor 1. From here, look to the top right. There will be a box with an up arrow inside of it. Tap on this icon to start a report. Once you're here, we'll need to fill out a few of these fields. We can skip location and device as that has already been filled in for us. Let's go to date range. Here we can choose either day, month, year, or custom. Choosing day will show us the data from the last day. Month will show us data from the last month. Year will show us data from the last year. And custom will allow us to see data from any date range we prefer. In this case, I'm going to tap on month. From here, we can also skip custom range on the next field as we didn't choose custom range. Let's go to types of report. To choose the types of report we want, we're going to tap on the down arrow on the same row. Once you do this, a list of options will appear. In this case, I'm going to select all of these options: summary, alarm events, graph, and data detail. Once you've made these choices, or the choices you prefer, tap on the up arrow to close this accordion. And last but not least, we'll need to fill out email too. By default, it will be the email on the account, but you can change this email to another if you prefer. Also, you can send an email to more than one individual. To do that, tap on the field. Insert a semicolon, insert a space, and then type in the other email you want to send it to. In this case, I'm going to send it to my personal email. You can continue to add more emails by adding a semicolon and a space, and then more emails. But in this case, I'm only going to send it to these two emails. Once you're ready, tap on Send. A message will pop up saying that the report is on the way. Now, I already got my email, so I'm going to go ahead and open it right now. Once you open that email, you'll see a blue link. Tapping on that link will download the PDF and then open it for you. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that link right now. Then, after a few short seconds of downloading, your phone should ask you how you want to open this file. Since I downloaded Adobe Acrobat earlier, I'm going to choose Adobe Acrobat. But if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, your phone should give you other options. Mine's saying I can open it with Office Suite, Chrome, and Firefox. But I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat. Once the file opens, your report will be shown on your screen. Let's go through this together to understand it a little better. The first section of this PDF will show you general information about your device, when the report was requested, who requested it, the date of the report, and what time range you chose earlier. Below that, you'll have Device Data Summary. This shows a general summary of your device's data, like the alarm set, the logging interval on the device, the unit of measurement, and so on. Below that, the last thing on this first page is the device data graph. This just shows the graphic representation of what your TraceableLIVE device detected in the time range you selected. Now I'm going to scroll to the next page. The next page contains alarm event history. Alarm events are the times your TraceableLIVE device loses Wi-Fi connectivity, has low battery, and when your temperature exceeds the high alarm or falls below the low alarm. On the first column to the left, you'll see when the alarm event history happened. The next column shows the event that occurred. The third column shows which channel caused the event. And the last column, alarm data, will show the temperature of the time of the alarm. Now for our last section, let's scroll down. This is device data detail. This last section will show every single logging interval for the time frame you chose. Since my logging interval for this device is set to 5 minutes, this is showing every temperature reading that happened every 5 minutes for the past month. While this is a lot of data, it's invaluable to have as you know exactly what was going on the entire time.